The 22nd edition of Genstat introduces several enhancements to generalized linear mixed models. These include new facilities for displaying and saving output, plotting residuals, producing predictions, performing permutation tests, and visualizing the fit of the generalized linear mixed model. We'll demonstrate these new features using the Genstat example dataset Great Knot 2000. This contains data from a split plot canola trial of cultivars and fungicides. Our variable of interest, LM plants, is the number of fungus-infected plants within a plot of 25 plants. We're going to model this using a binomial generalized linear mixed model with a logit link. Let's go ahead and fit our model. The response variable is LM plants. The fixed model is cultivar crossed with fungicide. The random model, block and whole plot within block, reflects the split plot design. The distribution is binomial, the link is logit, and the binomial totals are given by n plants. In Genstat 22, the generalized linear mixed model menus have been considerably updated. There are additional options for displaying output and controlling the REML algorithm. There is also a much more comprehensive save menu, and newly added predict and further output menus. Let's first explore the further output menu. Using this menu, you can select additional items of output to display. You can also generate plots of the residuals, plots of the means, and separation plots. Separation plots allow you to visualize the fit of your model. It shows the model's ability to predict successes, in our case infected plants, with high probability and failures with low probability. In this example, the model is doing reasonably well, with failures in pink tending to be on the left side, that is, the lower probability side, and successes in green tending to be on the right. Also new in Genstat 22 are permutation tests for fixed effects. A problem with generalized linear mixed models is that the estimates of the variance components are generally smaller than the true values. The wall tests for the fixed effects also suffer from this bias in that their p-values may be too small. Therefore, we need to be cautious when interpreting the p-values from the wall tests. The new permutation tests in Genstat 22 help overcome this problem by providing an alternative, more reliable way to assess the fixed effects. Let's perform the permutation test. Before clicking Run, I'm going to enter the blocking structure, block and whole plot within block, into the block structure for randomization field. This ensures the blocking structure of our designed experiment is respected when randomly permuting the data. After clicking Run, we need to wait a few moments for the results of the permutation test to appear in the output. For our example, there is no evidence of an interaction between cultivar and fungicide, but there is evidence of an overall effect of both cultivar and fungicide. Let's now explore the new Predict menu for generalized linear mixed models. You may have noticed that the Predict menu for generalized linear mixed models is very similar to that for ordinary generalized linear models. We'll use this menu to form predictions for the cultivar by fungicide means. Let's output a description of how the predictions are formed, along with the predictions and their standard errors. We'll also generate a plot of the predictions. Here are the predicted means in the output, and here they are plotted in a graph. We hope that you find these enhancements useful when analyzing your data. Genstat 22 offers many more new and exciting enhancements and features. To find out more, check out the What's New page on the knowledge base.